Okay, and back I am. So this time I'm going to do it a little bit different because what I did yesterday, I just want it to work. But I was thinking maybe, just maybe, we need to spread it around like that. Yep. And then pour it in the middle. So I'll just leave that as is. And we can put some colors in here. Because I do want those really nice brown and sienna colors in the middle. And then this again. Not the dark one. I don't want the dark one. Just let us take this. This is more than enough. And of course a little bit of turquoise. And again a little bit of this. That's more than enough. Okay, let's do this. So we are going to pour it. See, now we have the pattern surrounded by turquoise, but I don't like how it feathers out. See that? I don't like that. And maybe we can do something to it. I'm not too, I'm pretty sure we can, but that is pretty though. Let's keep it like this. I'm gonna pour around it too. And let it go up and let it come down. And a little bit more of this color. Now I think this has some possibilities. If I did this really big, I think that would work. That looks kind of cool. But now what to do? Because I think we need some more on the outside. Yep. I think working a little on the composition wouldn't be too bad, because I am missing a little bit. There we go. Let that come down there. And maybe I should just tilt it. See, I don't like that, what's happening there. And that's going to happen because those two things collide. A little bit more here. Okay, let's see what happens when we push it right over. There it goes. Ooh, that's pretty. Let that come down, let that come down. Okay, we're ready. Wow, that is awesome. That is really awesome. But it has a lot to do with the colors. But can you imagine this when I strategically put the glitter on there? It's gonna be something amazing. I have to clean my gloves a little bit. Wow, this is really pretty. I just wish I had this one and then really big. Okay. Gotta fix this a little bit. I see a lot of canvas showing. Well, yeah, canvas, because I didn't I didn't give it a coat of paint before I put it on. Wow, this is beautiful. I am very happy with this. I just have to really watch out. Oh, I have such a feeling something's going to happen to this. Like I'm going to drop it. I don't want to drop it. There you go. That's looking cool. A little bit there. A little bit there. A little bit there. Oops. Still got a whole side to do. This is awesome. Really it is. Okay, it's working out, people. Really pretty. This is it. Yep. Now I don't mind this bit because it is. I think the balance, because when I didn't, before I tilted it, there was a lot of this, and now it's just more of the beautiful bits, and then this doesn't really bother me that much. I love this too. This little bit of negative space here. Man, this is beautiful. Let me get you in close. Whoops. See a little bit of canvas. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, look at that. That is gorgeous. Ah, this is going to get a resin on top of it. I'm pretty sure of that. Don't want to see any canvas whatsoever. Nope. Okay, guys. I'm putting this away, and then we're going to do some squishes. I think that's my thing. I think that's what I want to do, and then really large. But did you see how thin that paint was? That's the bit, guys. That's what we have to have. We have to have that paint so thin that it can really play all over the place. I'm going to put this on the back, though. I don't want to waste paint. There we go. Zippity-doo-dah. Man, that one made me happy. I guess you didn't notice. Yes, you did. That one really made me happy. That was a beautiful pour. I like, you know, when your last pour is a really, really beautiful one, you want to always stop when you have made something really pretty. So then when I come back into the garage, or the studio, however you want to call it, then when you look at it again, you get all happy on the inside. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, maybe oh no, I don't have any turquoise left. A little bit. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, that's okay. I was looking at some I did yesterday, and I thought, hey, they would make beautiful pendants too. Because it almost looks like wood. And I have something with wood. I love wood. I love trees. I love wood. That is pretty too. Look at that here. That is really pretty. I'm going to keep this one just as it is. Oops, got to put it down here though. Okay, let's fill up that little thing. Do a couple of those squishy things. I do have turquoise in my bottle though. See, it's always good to have these bottles. They come in really handy because you know, sometimes you just don't have enough paint in your cup, and then if you have a bottle, you can really save the piece, as I would say. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do without tilting. little ring pour at the top. And this time we're going to make it go like that. Beautiful. I do think the sienna really adds to it. This is the burnt sienna, but this is the transparent one. Then the dark one is burnt umber. This is the Naples yellow with the titanium in it. And this, all my turquoises are made with titanium white, phthalo blue, and green. Depending on how much green or blue you put in there, and how much titanium, of course, that determines the shade you get. But that is kind of pretty too. I'm just going to keep this. Should I do a background? Do you think that would be cool? Let's see. Just in case we do like it. You never know. I'm going to put some around it. Ooh, it does bring out the colors. Let me get a little brush. Well, not really little, but I want to push it up against the pour just a little bit. Don't want gaps. There we go. Okay. Pushing it up there a little bit. It does bring out really, let me get you in focus. There you go. It does bring out the colors. I think that's why the previous pour was so pretty, because we have that titanium. We have the turquoise and then these rusty colors. And rust and turquoise always go together. They make it really pretty. Yeah, I think I'll keep this one like this. I like it with the background. See if you want a small one. Nah, I think I'd go for a bigger one. And let's see what we can do with this. Yeah, see, what I'd really like is when I go through it with a little stick, that there would be more paint pushed over it, if you know what I mean. Right now, when you push your paint, there's, see that really thin little line, but I'd like to have that really thicker. And really coming in there with a thicker piece of wood doesn't really help. See, because then the whole pattern will, see that it's even thin, and I did it with that stick. Oops, that wasn't a good thing to do. Let's see what happens if we pull it back. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to keep it like this. I think I would just frame it as is here. That looks okay. I'm going to let this one dry just as it is. Okay, guys. I think I have a little bit more paint just for one more. But I'll have to put these two away because I'm running out of space. Okay, one last one, and then I'm going to call it a day. So, putting in the paint. Yeah, this is the last of that color. You really want colors. I'm going to put in the turquoise. And a little bit more of this. And we're going to swirl it, because I'm pretty sure some of you are thinking, what if you swirl everything before you really pour it out? So it is very swirled. Now let's see what happens. really dark, but we're gonna spread it out like that. There comes the color. That is pretty. I'm really into this. I really like that feathery look. And all you really do is go up and down, up and down, up and down. And you can do it next to each other or over each other, and that's when you get those little feathery things. And somehow I think I like this so much because it reminds me of some boho thing. I don't know. You know, the boho colors. Going all around it with the last of my paint. That's it. Wow, I could do that on a really big canvas. Just keep on mixing up cups of these colors and then letting it really do its thing. Look at that, how pretty that is. That would really be awesome. I'll let it run down a bit. That's it. And, yeah, lose a little bit of that brown. That's better. I might use this for pendants, who knows. Okay guys, thanks for this lovely painting weekend. Thank you for being with me doing this. And oh yeah, I gotta send a couple of people PayPal links for the hearts. Oh, Elaine, will you please tell me which color hearts you want with the silver? Because I know you want silver, but I just don't know which hearts you want. Ooh, now I messed it up a little bit. Let's see. Still pretty. Okay. Thanks all. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle. See you all in the next one, next weekend. Or maybe tomorrow, because I have a day off tomorrow. But I gotta do a lot of cleaning. Yeah. That really boring stuff. So, gotta go. Love you. Bye.